Today we're looking at the 2025 GMC Acadia Denali in a Downpour Metallic blue. This one is powered by a 2.5 liter turbo engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Taking a look inside, we have our after dark interior leather heated seats on both sides with our beautiful white stitching along the middle and of course our Denali badging up top. If we take a look and follow our white stitching all the way down to the bottom left, you'll find our power seat controls. And up top, we do have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside, you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We have our volume scroll wheel here right in the middle, and right below that, we have all of our climate controls. Further down, you'll find our wireless charging pad to go alongside our USB-C and USB charge ports. 2 cup holders, additional storage down below, and inside of our middle console, we have more space and storage as well. Moving along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows. And right above that, we have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle, we have our power locks and our seat memory settings. And over here, you'll find our park brake and our drive modes. Of course, up top, we have our heads-up display in the windshield. And taking a look down at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our audio controls, our heated steering wheel controls, and our menu selector here in the middle. On the left-hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings to go alongside our forward collision alert and our super cruise that is active per subscription. If you put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in 360 view camera to go alongside the rear view camera. Down below by the steering wheel, you'll find our push to start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Up top, we have our rear view mirror digital display that you can turn on and off by the flick of a switch to your liking. And of course, we have our power controls for our lovely full panoramic sunroof. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our after dark interior leather heated seats on both sides with, again, this lovely, beautiful white stitching along the middle. Each seat does come equipped with adjustable armrests on each side. Plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. In the middle, you'll find our climate controls to go alongside our heated seat controls, our USB-C charge ports, AC outlet, additional storage down below, and our 2 cup holders up top. Behind each front seat, there is cubbies with additional storage, as well as these seats are retractable. You can find the controls here at the lever. Just pull up. This will come down, no problem, to give you access at the back. Each back seat comes equipped with a USB-C and a cup holder, on each side to maximize your storage as well. These seats come down, no problem. Checking out the exterior here on our Acadia, we do have our classic chrome Denali grille with our GMC badge in the middle and our front-facing camera right below that. Of course, LED headlights and fog lamps. Moving along to the side, we have our 20-inch rims on our Continental tires. Up top, we have our black and blue accent side mirrors with blinkers integrated along the back, chrome accents along the windows, our handles with keyless entry, and our roof rails up top. Tint in the rear window. And if we make our way to the back here, we do have an automatic lift gate. Just double tap your keys. This will pop open, no problem. We have our chrome quad exhaust. And inside, you'll find our seat controls. They can retract the seats, no problem. As well as hooks on each side to strap in anything you might need. Additional storage down below. And plenty of space inside. And that is our 2025 GMC Acadia Denali in a Downpour Metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.